welcome, and thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. Before we settle into our meditation, I'd like to talk a little bit about something that many of us struggle with: rest. In our busy lives, there's often an underlying pressure to keep going, to always be productive, and to push through exhaustion. We wear our busyness like a badge of honor, but in doing so, we sometimes forget a simple truth, that it's okay to rest. Rest isn't a sign of weakness or laziness. Rest is an act of compassion. It's a way of honoring our bodies, our minds, and our hearts. Just like the earth needs time to renew, we also need time to restore ourselves. When we allow ourselves to rest, we create space for healing and balance. We open up room for clarity to emerge and for our emotions to settle, and for our energy to rebuild. If we look at nature, we see this rhythm everywhere. Trees that shed their leaves in the fall, animals that hibernate in the winter. Even the sun rests below the horizon each day. There's a natural ebb and flow to life, and we are no different. We need these moments of stillness so that we can show up fully when it's time to act. Today, as we settle into our practice, let go of any guilt or resistance you may feel around resting. You deserve to rest. Your body deserves rest. Your mind deserves rest. There is nothing you need to do or accomplish in this moment. Simply allow yourself to be. Rest is a form of nourishment, and in this quiet time, you are refueling your spirit. So, as we move into our meditation, let yourself soften into the knowing that it is not only okay to rest, it is essential for your well-being. Let's take this time to honor that need for stillness, for renewal, and for peace. Allow yourself to settle into this moment. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Let the weight of your body sink down, knowing you are safe, supported, and held in this space. Now bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly, expanding and contracting with each breath. There's no need to change anything. Just observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine each inhale filling your body with calm, soothing energy. And with each exhale, releasing any tension, any heaviness you may be carrying. Let go of the exhaustion in your body, your mind, with every out-breath. Inhaling peace, and exhaling release. Take a moment to scan your body, starting from the top of your head, moving slowly down. Notice if there are any areas of tightness or discomfort. As you become aware of these areas, breathe into them gently. With each exhale, let these areas soften. Let them release. Allow your shoulders to drop and let your jaw unclench and feel the muscles in your face relax. Release tension from your neck, your back, your arms, and your legs. Now, bring your awareness to your heart center. Visualize a warm, soft, glowing light here. This light represents peace, love, and comfort. With each breath, let this light grow brighter and warmer. Let it expand, slowly filling your entire chest and then your whole body. Feel this light wrap around you like a comforting blanket, soothing the exhaustion, the sadness, the stress. You don't have to do anything but rest in this light. It's here to hold you, to heal you. And as you continue to rest in this light, silently repeat to yourself, I am safe. I am supported. It's okay to rest. Allow these words to sink in. Let them settle in your heart. Now visualize that each breath you take draws in peaceful energy from the world around you. Each inhale brings new energy, new peace, filling you with warmth and stillness. And with each exhale, release any lingering sadness, any feelings of overwhelm, letting them drift away like a gentle breeze. Inhale, renew. Exhale, release. Stay here for as long as you need, basking in the peace and light within you. You don't need to fix or change anything in this moment. Simply rest, knowing that this time is for you. And when you're ready to return to the present moment, slowly deepen your breath, wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently bring awareness back into your body. Feel yourself connected once again to the surface beneath you, knowing that you can always return to this place of peace whenever you need it. And when you're ready, you can slowly blink open the eyes, bringing a sense of calm and renewal with you and into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Om Shanti, Om Peace.